Base class versus derived class. Understanding inheritance in programming. Welcome to our presentation on base class versus derived class, understanding inheritance in programming. My name is Yash Gunde, and I'll be guiding you through the fundamental concepts of inheritance in object-oriented programming. What is a class? Before we dive into base and derived classes, let's quickly review the core concepts. What is a class? Simply put, a class is a template used to create objects. It acts as a blueprint that holds both variables, which represent data, and functions, which we call methods. For a simple non-inheritance example, imagine a car class. The syntax would hold an integer variable for speed and a function called drive. What is a base class? Now, let's introduce the base class. A base class provides the core structure or logic for a group of related classes. It serves as the general template. It is often referred to and used by other classes, which we will soon call derived classes. Think of a class named vehicle. It might contain a common function like move that all vehicles share. What is a derived class? The next key concept is the derived class. A derived class is what extends or uses the structure of a base class. It takes everything from the base class and can then add extra specialized features. Crucially, it refers to the base class in its definition. Following our example, a car class could be defined as deriving from the vehicle base class. The car class would automatically get the move function from vehicle, and it could then add a specific function of its own, like honk. Purpose of base class. So what is the core purpose of a base class? The base class serves as the foundation for the inheritance hierarchy. It holds the shared or general behavior that applies to all related objects. Most importantly, its use avoids code duplication by centralizing common logic. Purpose of derived class. In contrast, the derived class has the purpose of specializing or adding to the base class. It takes the general framework and can have extra functionality that is unique to it. Key differences summary. Here is a table summarizing the key differences between the two. Conclusion. To wrap up, the base class represents the general, shared logic. The derived class represents the specialized, added logic. They work together to create a better, more organized code structure. Their primary use case in software design is to avoid repetition, making code reusable and maintainable. Thank you. Thank you for your time and attention.